Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the channel for how-to contents. Hello, a warm welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an Acer Aspire Vero N20C5 laptop. So let's get started, guys. If you're already in Windows 11 and your laptop is on, I need you to restart your laptop. If your laptop is already off, then I need you to power the laptop on, and then what you need to do is hold your finger with the F2 key, and then you're going to start tapping it. Now when that logo comes on Acer, you're going to start tapping the F2 key, guys. Let me zoom in this key, guys. See, now we are into BIOS configuration settings. You have to ensure boot option is enabled, so you can change the settings accordingly. It's got a basic firmware. Anyway, in main, enable boot menu. I'm surprised, to be honest, because it's 11th generation, but the BIOS firmware, it looks very basic. Anyway, I will exit now and show you how to enter boot menu option. So once the laptop restarts, put your finger over the F12 key and start tapping it now. Let me zoom in, guys. This key. So this is boot manager / boot menu option. Any external device here that is attached to USB will show up. Okay, guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.